guys, so this, what the hell? Alright guys, so this is my Snapchat Q&A. I think this is episode 8 or whatever. Now I have a lot because I have been adding people and then now somebody pushes the chat down. So I'm going to try and work as fast as possible. This is my birthday edition, so you're watching this on my birthday. It's not my birthday as I'm filming this, but today I'm 30 years old on the 3rd of December. Holy...
What is this? Some distractions. Yes, what is this right here? Yes, good.
Holy mother of God. Alright. So this is by Anna 416 and says Jonathan is beautiful. Thank you, honey. Gold XDKMV says hi lyrics of your videos. OMG, you are so pretty. Aw, thanks boo. Thanks boo. They must be like, why is she taking so long to respond? I love those. My best friend grandma makes them. She's from Costa Rica. Oh, I think I had posted some food, but lyric oh then look bomb up suffering. So I've been posting pictures of food, of like my day-to-day life and stuff. Look at this glow though. Right? Alright, so morning Miss Lyric, please could you let me know when you have brushes in stock? Thanks. Okay boo. They will be in stock in January. Alright. That's Jonathan. So Black Kisses says nice hair, love it, thanks boo. I try to always respond to you guys. Lolita's _diary says ooh, it's like another language I do not know. Yes papa. Rafi Dash Forever says hi Lyric, how are you and your family doing? We are doing great boo. I'm going to get my nails done today you guys by Auntie Teal. Bella says, Bella Bina I think says, hey girls, sending you love from Detroit. My hubby is Jamaican, so we visit a lot. He will be coming for Christmas, but I couldn't get off. Oh, I just wanted to say I love your vibes, much love. Oh, thanks boo. Thanks boo. Hope to see you soon. Alright. Then Chandra Walker 47 says your makeup is beautiful. Thanks boo. Stephanie Avila says you are gorgeous. Thanks mama. Wow, what did I post that day? I don't know what I posted that day. Says Kadian Smith 63 says this morning I was watching your Snapchat video. Love your makeup. I watch all of them. Thanks for the support mama. Okay. By the way, my Snapchat name is Lyric Rochester. I don't know how you... Oh my god. Oh my god. I remember this picture that I posted. Aw, thanks boo. Janelle. It's not... No. Alright, so King Dial says hi, good morning Lyric. I wanted to know how you posted videos. Is it from photos, from YouTube directly to YouTube Studio? No boo. I edit with iMovie, then upload. What you throwing? Where's your shaker? Here. The love of a mom, right? Kim So Cute says OMG girl, I never did I feel love you so. Girl, you're the best. Man, not stop on your channel, abi. Oh. Thanks boo. So Chrissy D Champion says hi doll, which side is your nose ring on? Have a blessed Sunday Simone. It's on my right side. My right side. Boo. Right? Yeah. Kingla says, Kingla12 says, hello, how are you? We spoke about the contacts. I'm in for details. Oh gosh, Simone, I'm gonna have to send her my address. Alright, so October 30 _XO says, happy birthday, boo. Sorry, wrong chat. Ah, it's okay, boo. It's okay, mama. Oh, Tamika says, hi Simone, loving everything so far. Want to ask, how do you deal with the clients who state they just want a simple look at what price if you already have a fixed price for your services? If I already have a fixed price for my services, well, if I already have a fixed price for my services, I do not budge. If you want a simple look, whatever, it's still my products, my talent, everything. You want me, so you pay for me, so same price. So if you want a regular face, if you... I did not just Snapchat her with my drawers in the back. I did not. I just did not. I just didn't. Right, if Ocha Jonathan rub up my eyebrow, you see it? Anyway, so if it is that you want to do your makeup like by me and you ask for like a regular price or whatever, and you don't want a lot of makeup, you just want a little touch up here and there, honey, I charge for my services. So yeah, hold on, I scrolling back up to see if I missed out anybody, because I tell you guys that I was adding people. So because I was adding people, Jonathan, I reach off of Milo. Jonathan, no Milo, you know he's young. Stay, good boy. Alright, so I'm just looking for these chats now, you guys. I know I didn't film a makeup tutorial on this look, I'm sorry. Fabulous876 says, OMG Lyric, I love you so much. I made a Snapchat just to see your snap. You are an amazing person and you're very inspirational. Thank you so much, boo. You know, a lot of people are saying that I inspire them, and you know, they downloaded Periscope just for me, they downloaded Snapchat just for me. By the way, me not blows are regular, don't it? You know, I just like how it looks with my skin. I know it's something about the colors and the pattern, it just sits well with my skin. I love how it looks. I love how it looks on camera as well. Hold on there, I'm gonna save. What is so? Right, I'm gonna make the, you know, the little achievement. So Nick TB says, Lyric, I can't find you on Snapchat, add me, I'm missing out, love you. No, boo, you're here. You're here. I always add, if you send me an ad or whatever, I always add you guys. My name is Kendall. Good morning, Lyric. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. So, okay, I had said that this should be like a birthday Snapchat Q&A, but apparently not. Oh, it's like a video, day 2 of classes. Classes this trip was, thanks boo, rotted. Malcolm. Alright, so Timmy says, hi, I'm a huge fan and I just want to say how much I love you and your work. Aw, boo. Thanks, mama. Thanks for the support. There we go. Ms. Fat Lucia says, wow, thanks to you, I love makeup. Hope you and your family are well. This is nice. I like that. It looks black and white, but then the blue scarf is like blue. You look gorgeous, boo. You look gorgeous. That's not how you spell gorgeous. Alright, so Kiwi.kai says, hold on there. Kiwi.kai says, OMG, thanks for adding me back, Lyric. Love your personality. You're welcome, boo. No, I'm not getting any birthday snaps. No. This was supposed to be birthday edition. I don't know if... Alright then, alright. I think we're on the right track. Alright, so... Hal Kion says... oh, it's a YouTube link, so I'll click that. Oh, I can't click it again. Oh, too bad. So Lady Clark says, my good girl Lyric, thanks so much for letting me know about the Black Opal Stick Foundation, cause make me tell you my face bash when I wear it. LOLs. I love you so much, girl. You really are representing for Jamaica, and Jano, I'm proud of you and your brushes. I want to buy it so bad, but at time I was so and when I did get a little money, them sell out. Oh God, I have great mind buy them a Fontana and make them go. I'm an anti-house because I go Jamaica in a March. Oh, okay. Well, you can boo, you can do that. You can purchase, you can buy them at Fontana and have your sent. Okay, so I know that for Fontana the shipping is expensive. Now you have to understand, the Fontana is like a like a company, and they don't like they're not like me who ship from the post office. Is what I'm trying to say here. They use professional shippers. They use professional shippers, so like DHL, FedEx. That's what they use. Me, Good girl news at my regular post office. So yes, I suggest that for those of you who are who have families or friends here in Jamaica, purchase online because they get 15% off. So purchase online, and when you purchase online, you send it to your family or friend or family member's house. Let me just say that to her. Blood cleanse. I don't want it in a picture. Hold on there. Okay, boo, yeah, so purchase, hold on, yeah, so purchase it on Fontana's website, then I send it to your friend or family member. It would be cheaper for you, and you get 15% off any POMI By lyric item, whether brushes or lashes. Alright. Well, that's Saints. Lady Clark. Alright. He's in my hand. So bad girl Tina 5 says, "Hello, copy okay because I ain't seen you on any social site." Boo, I'm doing good. Boo, I'm fine on any social site. This must have been a while back when I had come out of my little Rochester page for me for like 5 days. I ain't said nothing to nobody. I ain't post nothing. I ain't done nothing. So you know. Alright, so I'm finding the rest of chatsies. Why? I will leave us something now. Oh my god. Alright, so Curry Thompson says, "OMG, thanks for following me. Want to meet you so bad. Continue doing what you're doing and let no one get you down. You're an inspiration and I admire you 100%. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. I'm actually filming now. This will be up on my birthday, the 3rd of December. So look out for this video. I love you guys on Snapchat and Periscope. Those are my two favorite social media sites. Love those two. Whoever thought about Periscope is just a genius. Sam Reed says, "Hi Lyric, when will you have Dipped in Elegance?" Okay. So the Dipped in Elegance set will be launched. I want to have a March or April launch for those because we're launching a 3-piece face kit now. So after that launch, then definitely Dipped in Elegance. And the reason why I had to push back the Dipped in Elegance brushes is because of just the funds. So we're going to use what we make for this brush set to fund the Dipped in Elegance is basically what's happening now. So yeah, that's why I had to push it back. So it will launch 2016 before summer, that I know for sure. How are you doing? How are you doing? Wendy Williams voice. I'm doing LOL, I'm doing okay, boo. I'm doing great, boo. Why not asking me? Hold on, I'm putting up my Jonathan. My sexy body. This is Susan.Makinen says, okay. Alright, just like a bunch of pictures. Wow. Oh, it's her. Okay. Oh, boo. She just sent me some pictures. Janzi says, you girl just come off of your Periscope. Your face beats up, I swear. I don't know if that was an offense or what. I don't know what she was trying to say. I know. So Divine Uniqueness says,
I listened to your music earlier today. I went to I think I downloaded iTunes. It's called My Heart.
Oh, My Heart.
Great voice, lovely.
Thank you. Thanks, boo. iTunes? I didn't even know it was iTunes. By the way, it was on iTunes. Jonathan Zaman. Me blood cleanse. Sir! Quick. So Taki_Boo says, "Hey, love, you've been away. I hope you're okay." Yes, boo. See, this is what I go through, you guys. This is why I can't have talking videos anymore. Like, I can't have talking videos, but I have to talk really soft. Then I have to assume I'm depressed or suicidal. I'm like, I'm not. I just can't talk because Jonathan is sleeping. And then when he's up, it's like, yo, I'm up, yo. Have a blessed day. Thanks, boo. So that was by Moni07. She says, have a blessed day. Moni cannot receive your chat. I don't know why. Truth be told, says,
hey, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving and hope you're having a blessed day.
thanks boo, I did. Thanks boo, I did. It's so weird because we don't celebrate Thanksgiving here in Jamaica. Where's my food? Bro, where's my food? Right? How about that? Where's mine? Alright, so Snooki 1996 says, hey IDK, why I'm not seeing your snaps? IDK either, boo. Because I don't block anybody. Lavanya! Ooh, browser on fleek, baby. Would be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always be clean. Oh God, Lavanya is a trip, man. Why does my autocorrect thing that would laugh with deal and them? Excuse me. So Day says, boycott Black Friday, don't buy anything today. Why? What happened? Lashes are on fleek, no falsies. Nice, boo. What did no Zamar, here did something happen on Black Friday I'm not aware of? So Rochelle Carty you says, wow, hi Lyric, hope you're well. I purchased a few lashes 2 weeks ago and I haven't received tracking numbers yet. Could you let me know the email address where I can send tracking? Okay guys, new episode of Flawless Fridays now on my YouTube. Okay boo, okay boo, have you gotten them? No, because from the time she sent me she may have gotten them, you know. So Lisa says,
I was curious if you use a budgeting app for your iPhone 6. Could you give me some information on that and which is the best one?
a what app? A what app? You see, thanks to my son Jonathan, I can hardly hear. Hi there, my name is Tia. I love your videos. Please can you talk more in your videos? I love listening to you. Keep making. Okay, boo, I'm a huge fan. As I was saying to you guys, it's kind of difficult. I'm gonna talk to you off camera because my son something drop. So as I was saying to you guys, it's kind of difficult to do that because of Jonathan. Because as you guys can tell, he's just like, I don't know, he's just like, yeah, that he's noisy. He's like his mother. He's very noisy. So, and him dash the song again. Jonathan, a good body. Talk to me. I don't like it or no. I want Don't throw it in a J. I'm gonna give you one different one. Okay, so Nikita says, love you, lyric and inspiration. Thanks boo, and thanks for the support. Alright, so let me say this again. No birthday Christian. Tap to load, tap to load, tap to load, tap tap tap. Alright, so Keely Kane says, before me go study. I loved that makeup tutorial. Hi Lyric, hope you okay boo. Still loving the brushes. Thanks mama. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Just as of now, very hungry. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just been really hungry lately. Chanel XO says, hi Lyric, OMG, I just received the brushes as a birthday gift from my boo and I absolutely love them. I'm a fellow Jamaican YouTuber and I must say you did a great job with these brushes. The set of brushes I've ever used and owned thus far. Keep up the good work and God bless you and your family. Peace. I love watching your videos. Thank you so much mama. Thanks. Blood cleanse. Thanks for the support. And I'm glad you love the brushes, bro. Okay, so I'm tapping really fast, but when me put on my nails today, I'm asking my friends from Rochester, good people, it's not gonna work. So XOE says, what time do you leave Fontana? When? I'm clearly home, not at Fontana. Sakia Kingston says, yes, Sakia, yes, boo, work. LOL, thanks for sharing, boo. Thanks for sharing, boo. Okay, so now I'm at Ms. Hollow Man KR50.
And this is a new one, ladies. Actually, it's an old one. Just kind of revamped it.
How deep is your love? Nice job. Me blood cleanse. Jonathan. Me mama. Your father come string me up. Nice job, boo.
Me a the head and not the tail. For me the boat evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. Me lyrics, me live it, me spit it. And my lyrics, them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different, God not switch. And we not serve a different, God turn them. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every song you put out a street them bad. And save every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty and my daddy. Me praise God.